Hey guys, how y'all doing out there today? Hope everyone is super fantastic. It's an amazing day today. Awesome weather. So today I'm talking about the law of attraction. Yes, guys. Today is all about law of attraction, and so many people think of law of attraction of something else than it really isn't. You know, but I want to let you know how law of attraction has worked for me, how I've applied it to my life, and you can perhaps understand just a little bit better about the law of attraction. But before we get started, guys, before we go into anything, the word subscribe, smash on that. If you like my channel, if you want to hear more from me, just smash on that subscribe, interact with me, leave me some hearts, give me a thumbs up if you like my content, and leave your notification on. Alrighty? So let's talk about the law of attraction. And the law of attraction, all it is the opposite of worrying. Law of attraction is the opposite of worry. Law of attraction is whatever you focus on, that's what you're going to get show up in your life. That's it. So 99% of people like to worry about the very thing that they don't want. They don't have enough money. And we know that that's a big thing, guys, because all of us can use more money, right? So you don't have the money to pay the bills. You can't pay the mortgage. You're always late. You can't pay the car note. You can't pay the rent. Your spouse is not doing what it is that you want for him to do. He picks his teeth a lot. He leaves his shoe at the doorway, and then you have guests come in the house and his shoe is there. He leaves the toilet seat out. Well, I'm talking about men because I'm a female, right? And so we tend to focus a lot on the very thing that we don't want. And guess what happens? You get more of that. Ladies, I know we like to talk a lot, and the men like to say, females like to yap, yap, yap. But the more you talk about the thing you don't want, to your husband, to your boyfriend, guys, the more you talk to your girlfriend or your wives about the thing you don't want, guess what? They're going to behave the very way you don't want for them to behave. That's the law of attraction. Whatever you focus on, expand. Whatever you focus on, you're gonna receive it. Like attracts like. And so, guys, the solution to law of attraction is now to be optimistic. You know, people like to, if they're going into business, like to think, oh my gosh, how about if it doesn't work and I lose all of this money? I'm putting in 10, 20, 30, 40, $50,000 in this business. How about if it doesn't work? Law of attraction. I'm going into this business and this is gonna work. This is it. It's gonna work. I have all the influential people locating me. We're doing business together and this is gonna work. I remember a lady, she said she had a boyfriend and she loved flowers and he never brought her flowers. And that she would always fuss with him and say, you never bring me flowers. I like flowers. Or you never help around the house and do the dishes or wash the car. And the minute she stopped and she started to say, thank you for helping out around the house, or thank you so much for the beautiful flowers you gave me. It may seem silly, and your spouse may look at you as, I didn't give you flowers. I didn't do the dishes. May look at you as being like really silly. But if you continue to focus and to tell your spouse that, if you continue to focus on the good person that he or she is, and guess what? Like attracts like. That is the law of attraction. You get more of what you focus on, guys. And you know, guys, I've always heard about the law of attraction. I've always heard like attract like. But I've never heard it broken down to me the way I heard it in the Mind Hack system that I'm on, the program. And when I started implementing those new habits of being optimistic, of being positive, of focusing on what I want. If I show you my walls right now, guys, my walls, they are filled with images because I am focusing on what I want. The vacations, the vehicles, the chauffeur, the chef, the money, guys, that I want. Guys, I have money next to me on my bed. I have money that sleeps with me on my nightstand. And when I'm going to bed, it's right to the side of my bed. I see money all the time. My stairway is lined with $1 bill. I am programming myself that I have a lot of money. Guys, you have to focus. You have to narrow in on the thing that you want, because too often we focus on the thing that we don't want. You can't pay your bills. Think of yourself going to the bank and being able to pay your mortgage before the due date, being able to pay the car loan before the due date, and keep focusing on that. And guess what? It has to happen. That's the law of attraction. I'm going to tell you a personal story, guys. The other day I was actually doing a live. I believe I was going live on Instagram or Facebook, or I was working on my video for YouTube here. And guys, a call came in. I don't really take a lot of people calls these days because I'm on my journey of just being positive, of being optimistic. And a lot of people are very negative, and they're good people, but they're just always negative. And I didn't take the call. And after my live, I looked at who it was who called me, and I just messaged. I said, I'm on my live, and if whatever you want to, just send me a voice message and I'll respond to you, because I was doing another live. And she did not message back. So after I was done, I think she waited a few minutes. She called me and she said, Georgette, because I am my business, my prior business before the pandemic was party, wedding, and event planner. And also I have a whole business of kitty treats where I cater to kitty treats. I also train people in the gym, also fitness trainer, guys. Yeah, all the muscle mass is gone. And so she said to me, I know your business, what's going on. You're not doing any weddings or events or personal training because the gyms are shut down. She said, I'm in the area close by you and I'm at the grocery store. Why don't you come on down and pick up some items and I will pay for it. I was not in need of anything, guys. I really was not. Really, really. My house is filled with grocery, and my daughter just came in from college, and I had to pack a box for me with like my protein shake, my almonds, my trail mix, and the stuff that I like to eat. And my house was filled with grocery. And I said, and actually at that time, my mechanic was fixing I had some electrical things that he was fixing in my Jeep. And I said, girl, I'm actually here doing my live videos. And I said, my mechanic is working on my Jeep. And she said, okay, then give me your card number. She insisted, guys. She said, okay, then give me your bank card number and I'll deposit it there. So I said, okay, which bank are you at? And she told me the bank. I'm not a customer at that bank. My daughter is. And so I said, okay, I'll give you my daughter's bank account when I'm done. I sent her my daughter's bank account. And the next day, my daughter said, Mommy, I told my daughter someone is going to send a couple of dollars. She just wanted to be a good Samaritan because she knows that the party business and the fitness business is not in operation. My daughter said, Mommy, she sent you $500? I said, I don't think so. Probably $50 or $100. She said, Mommy, she sent you $500. Listen, guys, no one has ever sent me $500 just like that, just sitting in my house. The law of attraction is real. The law of attraction, and I don't know her very well. It's someone that we're in a dance community, I social dance before all of this. I do salsa and bachata. Yeah, and so we're in that group together, and then I started training her in the gym. And she just called me out the blue, and then she sent me $500. The law of attraction is real, guys. If you want to create something in your life, focus on that daily. Narrow in on that and become very clear. It has no other way. like attracts like. So guys, if you like the value you're getting, give me a thumbs up, guys. Come on and interact with your girl Georgette. Remember to subscribe. And the mind hacks that I'm on, that has been teaching me these new habits, how to attract. There is a way, because a lot of people may just say, okay, I want money. No, there is a way that it has to be done properly in order to attract and to manifest. The link for that is below. There's also a free gift in the link. Get your free gift. Get the mind hacks, guys. It is totally life-changing. I love you. I'm sending you lots of light, lots of love. Mwah! Much love.